This is a review on a traveler camcorder slash, yeah. Let me turn it on. Yeah, this camcorder. There's a dog over there. Yeah. It's a 5 megapixel camera. Yeah. 8 times zoom. You probably can't see that, but it is 8 times zoom. Take 2 AA batteries. Oh. And menu. It has a USB port right there to plug in a computer to upload videos or pictures. Yeah. Here's the camera. Turn it on. There's you can see there's an SD card right there. Yeah. The camera isn't that blue on camera. I have the I haven't set the auto. So yeah, here's the camera. It's decent enough for YouTube videos, but not the best. Go to the menu. There's trash, power button, volume, and directional pad when you're in the menu, and the zoom in and out. Yep. What's different about this camera is it comes in this lone little case. Very weird looking one. Yo, now it's waterproof. Yep, this is a waterproof case, so you can take it in the water whenever you want to record in water or something, and it makes it. And if you drop it, it really doesn't matter. It won't damage as much as if you dropped it without the case. Yeah, the buttons. Yeah, they work decently. There's the camera. The hole for the camera port has its own little strap. You can take it wherever you go. So yeah. One moment. The video I took earlier. Let's see. It's definitely not HD video. It's a video Android phone. It's not that blue in person. I mean, hey, stop. Shut up. Yeah. Let's stop that. Oh yeah, it's a nice camera. Nice camera. About $100, not too bad compared to other camera prices. You can decide if you get your money's worth. You can do like fancy effects like sepia, negative, stuff like that. Yeah, a good camera. Recommend it for traveling.